Hey guys, what's up? It's Lunch Munch here. Today we're gonna explode this watermelon with these rubber bands. Let's get it. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna wrap these rubber bands around the watermelon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap these rubber bands around this watermelon.
Why would you take them all out now? How big is that? Go over there.
Oh, it's not gonna fit.
No, go over there and then we'll just do it all at once.
Oh wow.
Like grab a side of it. Yeah. Oh my!
No, don't have to go last one.
No, stop.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be a long
No,
time.
we have to work together.
It's gonna be a long time, guys.
No, I think we can get it done.
Try and get them all at like one spot.
It'll eventually start getting easier.
Oh, we should have counted the rubber bands.
Oh,
We just put 1,000 rubber bands.
yeah, this is 1,000 rubber bands. Wait,
Oh
does
my
it say
gosh.
how many are in each?
No.
464.
Number 64.
That's number,
It said
Mr.
113 grams.
That's Mr. Ed for you. Graham? Oh, I thought it was.
Mr.
I thought you said. I thought you said
That's
calories.
Mr.
I thought you said calories. Just like. Stop.
Comment down below if you want more videos like this. Maybe a pumpkin, a melon.
A pumpkin,
Yeah,
that'd be lit
pumpkin
for
would be
Halloween.
Cantaloupe. We should go find a dragon fruit.
Yeah, impossible. That probably would be.
Dude, we could do grapefruit.
No.
Hey, let us know if you want this to be a series with fruit.
Slow my career.
Ugh, got the green stuff on me.
Oh, you better get watermelon on you.
I'll be right back. I have to use the restroom.
I'm gonna edit that out.
Just kidding, guys. I just want to go wash my hands.
Help!
Hot!
Cheers.
So are you gonna keep this all in?
Bacon.
Are you gonna keep this on?
I mean, keep it.
A couple of minutes. For a minute.
We gotta create a system, guys.
And then we gotta make sure.
Okay, this isn't in the middle. This needs to be in the middle.
Bring it down some.
This how I do. This how we back.
Closer.
Alright, guys. We'll hit you back when it's about to explode. Recording again.
We are?
Progress is okay so far. We have almost used half of the rubber bands.
But we feel dense, so we should be good. And we'll keep you updated.
At this point, you bully.
Sorry, I didn't get in the video.
Huh?
At least for something in it.
You had to hit me, not the white kid. Let's get there.
Dude! Oh.
Oh, wasn't that
I
broke?
was about to say your black part got lost. Did you color it?
No.
No, for real. It has like blue stuff on it. I'm gonna throw it back. Are you ready?
If he's gonna say white though.
Let's go, Jack. Get a move on.
See,
I'm
this
doing
is
all
there
the work.
staring.
all the work.
Y'all are switching off.
What do you mean?
And I'm up
Whoa,
every.
fix this one. Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Trash.
You know what? The rubber bands aren't working.
Looks like we're just gonna have to use them like big spinner versus
Push in here.
watermelon.
Dude, it could also be cool if we went up there and threw it.
On top? Who's
Yeah.
gonna go up there?
Me?
Uh-huh.
No.
Hear that watermelon? Yeah, it's not. Gravity.
You gotta cut all this out.
No. She's just chill time. Just talking.
So,
Why are you doing one? Why are you doing only one?
better than you doing none.
And then you're leaving when?
Tuesday?
Wait, you leaving this Sunday?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Progress is
But I'm
starting
coming
to
back
move. It's starting to
next
punch up a little
Thursday.
bit.
Say that again, because
Well, they probably. Stop.
Just let it
Just
happen.
keep going.
Oh
Just
my
keep going. Just keep
God.
going.
Take it off so then we have to get it down low. Yes.
Let me get it down.
Now
low.
the watermelon is.
Dude, I'm not putting the last ones on. I'm not trying to get exploded on.
I'm not trying to get.
I'm trying to keep that rubber band ball though.
Oh.
Wait. Shh. Oh, was that the bag? I low-key thought that was a snake.
Wait, stop. Oh, wait, stop.
Can you feel the love?
Antonio, just get it all the way. Okay.
You say it was like, I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh, I keep thinking that's the watermelon.
Xavier, the bag was over there. Where's it gone?
Now it's gone.
What do you say?
Antonio, can you hold the watermelon?
Say Jackie.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
100K, okay.
I can. Oh shoot, we did not buy enough rubber bands.
Business is booming.
We did not buy enough rubber
Yes, we
bands.
We
did.
did.
What are you talking about? This one's explode.
Yeah.
You
Dude,
don't see
right now
this?
it's kind of looking like a squash.
Yeah. Starting to a little bit.
Try open up another bag.
No, just use all these.
So what is it? Does it explode or does it just
It
kind
just,
of
like-
collapse?
It
Like the
explodes.
rubber
It
band just like.
explodes.
And it's
No,
wild.
really? I ain't trying to
Yeah.
put that last one on.
Someone has to. Someone's got
You'll know it's gonna explode when it starts like making noise.
Oh.
Bro.
Yeah, it's like.
Anyone else
And then we can eat the watermelon. That's the best
Christian,
part.
since you're staying here with us, you can eat the watermelon.
That's what I was gonna eat the watermelon.
Yeah, hold the melon.
You hold it up. Slave.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh shoot.
Pull it. It's weird.
I ain't trying to get exploded.
Sauce?
I ain't trying to get exploded on either, okay?
Oh.
What do you think it's gonna like go to, like this explosion? He's gonna shoot up,
Dude,
and it's gonna rain
wait,
back
wait,
down.
stop.
Stop.
No, I feel it was like weird.
It's for real right over here, dude. That's scary.
What if it just busted in my
Exactly.
face? Busted.
Here. That's a
Oh,
lot of
God.
bands. That's a lot of
It's
bands
gonna
right
shoot
there.
up. I hope y'all know that. Oh god.
That didn't do
Mad damage to this.
booty crap
We've done
right there.
some mad damage to this watermelon. I mean, it's starting to do that, and so we're just gonna have to punch it a little bit and just hope that it kind of explodes. So hit. Stop! Hold it when you do it. Then I'm gonna record
Hold the
it.
beast. Go.
Okay, here, come over here. Come over here.
Oh,
Come over here.
look at it.
Oh
Look at it.
God.
That makes me mad that we don't have enough rubber bands.
It's
All right,
about to.
I have a
It's
better-
about to.
I have a better idea.
No, don't throw it.
Oh,
Guys,
the
it
good
didn't
watermelon.
work.
Oh.
Oh wait, it's going. It's going.
Oh,
Here,
you.
put it back, and we'll just try to keep exploding it.
Oh.
Oh,
Dang, collateral damage.
If we're gonna eat this, don't let it drop on the floor.
Aw, it didn't hit that.
do we want a clean break?
Yeah, here. Keep going. Keep going.
Christian.
No. Like on the rubber band.
You're not recording it. You're not recording it.
I don't think it will.
You know what?
Drop it. Roll
know-
it again.
you know
no,
that-
no, roll it again.
You know
roll it
that
again.
monkey
No,
from
because
the Lion King?
because then it won't work with the rubber bands.
Well, it kind of. It was.
Jeez, that thing is dripping.
Dude, can we use your water?
Oh Oh my god.
that thing's
It's
in the
not working.
Wait, yeah, it's
Well,
got
all the
more.
pressure has now been released.
So, let me
Yeah.
see, let me see one more time.
Should we just open it and eat it?
No, we have to get the rubber band ball.
Fine,
Yeah,
fine.
let's
Rubber band ball. I'm gonna drop it right
No,
here.
no,
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 no, we're not gonna eat it.
stand
So we're not
All
gonna
right,
eat it.
let's go, Christian.
Get it on a corner or something.
Yeah, right here on top.
Drop it like straight.
Oh my god.
Watermelon chunky.
Look at all the watermelon juice.
Are you ready? Xavier.
This is delicious. Shoot.
Oh my gosh, the rubber band.
Oh, is that the...
Look at this. Oh my
Dude, that
god.
exploded on me.
That thing exploded. Okay, watermelon fight. I would think so. Here's the aftermath, guys. We have the rubber band ball, the top of the melon, and the melon. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button. We're gonna try and hit 20 likes this video and try to get to 30 subscribers. It's because of y'all that we get to film these kinds of videos. And just be ready for the next video. Diet Coke pool and Mentos. So that should be lit. Peace. Oh my gosh! You're such an Ed head. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you.